Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how you can create a website for free. Now I say free, but you're going to need some web hosting to start with. But once you've got your web hosting and a domain, which are pretty hard to come by for free, once you've got those in place, you can go ahead and start creating a website if you're looking to do, sort of do it yourself. So if you had signed up for web hosting with D-Isla, all you would do is you would go to the D-Isla website and you would have been provided with a username and password to log into the hosting control panel. Here's one that I've created for this this example video to show you exactly what you need to do. So this is going to be about installing a free WordPress website. And what steps you need to take. So I don't use, it was an idea, rent a living Christmas tree. I love to reuse and stuff like that. Maybe something I'll use in the future, but I'm not using it at the moment. So I thought, hey, I'll use it for this test video. So we just click on manage here to manage our hosting package, and see there that it was a WordPress package. And then, okay, we haven't got, so normally if everything was working in order, we would have a full stack of WordPress options here, but we don't. So all we do is click on reinstall WordPress. So this is going to install WordPress and a database into our hosting package. So this will just take a moment or two. With our hosting, you get caching. And there are various other optimization options there. Just give it a little plug while we're waiting. Okay, so it's loaded. We click on that first link here. So this one, this stack staging, really handy if you're planning to transfer a domain into ourselves. Then what you can do is you can create the website in the staging temp domain, and then once your live website, you migrate in the domain name from another hosting provider, boom, it just goes live, but you've got your site all there ready and waiting. So if you're migrating a site, you can get the whole old site up and running, sat there waiting for the domain to migrate in. Domain migrates over, cuts in, you've got no outage whatsoever. Anyway, back to the installing the free website. So here's what we do. You literally go down, you pick whichever language and locale is most appropriate for yourself. So for me, I'm in England, so I'm going to choose English UK. That will just take a second before it asks for some information. So site title, if you consider this like to be like the brand name. So in my case, Rent a Living Christmas Tree. Username, so this is going to be the username that you use to log in to manage WordPress. So it's different from the one that used to manage the hosting that we just logged into a second ago. This is a specific account for WordPress. Now, what I would say to you is you need to make sure that password that you choose is hidden, and that no one else knows what that password is. And then in your email address here is where you will be contacted with any admin alerts. If somebody puts like a comment or something like that on the website on one of your posts, then you will receive an email to this address here. Pretty neat, eh? Now, if you were building a website that you didn't particularly want to have it indexed for some reason via Google, then you could discourage search engines from indexing that site. Why you build a website that you want no one to look at, I'm not quite sure, but hey, the option's there if you want it. So now go ahead and install WordPress, and it should just take a second. There we go. Right, it's all been installed. Success. That's what we're looking for. Your username and the password, whichever you decided to be. Now, click login. And now you'll see up here, this is important to remember because most people go in, set everything up, and then they want to admin their site again. You're like, oh, how did I get in? Well, all you need to do is actually not put WP-login, but WP-admin. So if I put that here right now, WP-admin, it comes up with the same screen here. Yeah. Simply put in your username and password that you had before, that you set up during the setup. I like to keep my username the same as my email, but it's entirely up to you. And I tend to use different email addresses for each website that I admin. What then you can do is have a look at your website. So what have we got at the minute? Okay, fairly basic website, and I think we can all say like, wow, if I wanted to share that with everybody, I don't think they'd be very impressed. So let's have a look. So when you install WordPress from default, hey, look, I get a few themes that are already there. I could add a new theme from outside or purchase a theme, but hey, we're doing this for free. So what can we do for free? Well, this 2017 looks pretty neat. Yeah, why don't we give it a go? Let's activate that. Right, and then let's just give our little website a refresh. Yeah, that's looking pretty neat. It's not bad, is it, for a free website? Not bad at all. Okay, so what could we do to customize this? Well, for a starter, it's not great that, okay, we've got the brand name here. It says just another WordPress site. No one's going to be impressed by that, are they? So how can we fix that? So if we go into customize here, you'll see that little top toolbar there. Let's go to site identity. Right, just another WordPress site. So we have the option is we could hide those, but then hey, when you log on that website, whose website is this? So for this, in this instance, we really do need to show it. So let's put in saving the world one Christmas tree at a time. Brilliant. Now that's more appropriate and a great tagline to go with our Rent a Living Christmas tree. Now this site icon here is to do with the little, you see this little world up here. So when you put in a site icon, which could be like a miniature version of your logo, then it will appear here. Really great, pretty handy, and certainly looks a lot more pro. Okay, so now we've done that. Great, people know what we're about. They can see what our site's about, and then hey, welcome to your site. This is well, no one's going to want to see that, are they? I mean, what does that tell them? Why don't we tell them? Let's go. So we know that this is the home page. So it says home, about, blog, home, right? So if we go to home, go to that. So we went to all pages, home, and now you'll notice here it says front page. So we know that that is the page is being displayed in the front. And we've also got one that says blogs page. So it is an option, but this homepage settings is what I meant to click on, and it's where you set the page which is going to display your posts. This is where you can set up to display your latest blog posts, and then your homepage. So consider it like this. When you look in here, you've got two options. You've got pages. So those pages are like your static, mainly static content. Now, you might go off and update a few things here and there as they change, and especially maybe if you're looking to improve on your optimization in Google, you might be doing a few continual updates here, there, and everywhere to try and improve your results. But largely static. Your posts, on the other hand, these are updates that you're posting. You want to post on a regular basis, build on the content, tell people about what you do, how you can help people, what you can offer, just like this video I'm doing right now on how you can create a website for free. So let's go ahead and edit the homepage. So homepage, we can see that we've got the title there. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but on the page here, home, that's not great, is it? Do you really want people to see that when they come in? There's no need. We can actually we don't have to have a title there. It's up to you. But the only thing I'd say is having a title is really important from a search engine optimization perspective. It tells everybody what that page is about. It's like the little header. Everybody sees it when they go into Google. The title is basically the leading text that you'll see in a search result. So yeah, you could delete it and that would remove it from there. But what I'm going to go ahead and rename it is rent a living Christmas tree services. I'm going to give a bit of description. Hey, we supply Christmas trees all over the UK to a network through a network of tree suppliers. Save a tree. Great. Okay, so everybody in the UK is getting their Christmas trees. You know, it's bang on. They know exactly what to expect. And now we've updated that text. Refresh this page. And now when you come to the home page, rent a living Christmas tree services. Hey, it's a bit more descriptive than just saying home and welcome. There's nothing worse than getting on a website and saying, hey, welcome to my website. Great. What's that tell me? Nothing. Try and avoid that if you can. That's one little tip. Now, what about the blog? How's that going to work? So, hello world. Yeah, so this is just a default post that you get on just about every theme you've ever installed on WordPress. So let's go and make that a bit more interesting and say, the sort of thing that should be in there should be like, new fir trees available from start of November. So for all those keen people that just can't wait to get hold of a Christmas tree, and like special discount of 20% off on these great trees. And I'm only doing this example, but you could go on and explain, these are the ones that like don't drop the needles and that sort of thing, and these are great trees and these are brilliant. These are, it's a brilliant update and tell you all about the trees and why you'd want to pick that type of tree. Maybe how you recycle them and that sort of thing. And then that's great. So now if we go to our blog, you'll see that we got these new fir trees, we have a start, brilliant, and if we kept adding blog posts in here, they would fill up this space. Now, what's great about that is that once we've got these posts, what we can do is we can share them out. So you want to share those blog posts out. Now, what to do? So we look here. It's probably back here. So if we go to settings here, and then we go to permalinks. All right. So this is another tip of mine, is that you want to really include the post name in the title. I don't think it's no relevance to have the date. My personal preference is just to simply have the name of the website and then simply the post name. So let's save that change there, and then you'll see that so where we've gone on this blog post, it was actually saying rental of Christmas tree post one. Yeah, not very descriptive, and certainly if you're looking at this this post by a search engine, well, it's not really going to tell me a lot about what this blog post might be about. So if we just go back to that blog post here, and then we click on it, actually it's set to hello world at the minute because it was an existing post, but it would have taken the page title had we created this post from scratch. You can see there. So if we just edit this and delete it, yeah, you'll see here that it takes the new fir trees available from the start of November. So it's taken the title and that's what will be used for the URL for this page. So the permanent URL for this page. So now if we go back to the blog, just give that a refresh. Have fun. Experiment. If it's your first website, then it's going to take you a while to get up and running. And if you need a hand, and you want to engage some services, then of course consider myself. I'm the owner of D-Isla IT consultancy, and our main thing is small business website design. So if you need help with a website, reach out to us, and we'd be more than happy to help. All right, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope it's been useful, and happy WordPress website creating.